How to use CapCut music without getting copyright. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use sounds in CapCut without getting copyright. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the video which you want to edit and add the sound from CapCut. And when you click on the audio option, you see a lot of options. The first one is record. When you click on it, you can record your own voice and keep it in the video. Then you have the option of extract. Through this option, you can choose any video and extract the audio from it. After that, we have the option of sound effects. That means the effect you can add in your video. Now, the second option is copyright. Using this, we can use the sound in our video is whether allowed to use or not. And last but not the least, sound option. By clicking on it, you can link your TikTok account and choose any song from it. Or you can choose any song from your own device by clicking on the file option. Once you are done adding any song, you are supposed to click on the copyright option and CapCut will itself see whether the song in your video is free for you to use or not. So that's all. That is how easily you can use CapCut music without getting copyright. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.